Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll give you a complete tour of the Audacity interface and show you the main tools you'll use for recording and editing audio. This is the main Audacity workspace. At the top, you can see the menu bar, where you'll find options such as File, Edit, View, Transport, Tracks, Generate, Effect, Analyze, Tools, and Help. On the left side of the toolbar, you'll find the playback controls, including the play, pause, stop, and record buttons. These are the most important controls for recording and listening to audio. Next to the toolbar, you can see the Audio Setup section, where you can choose your microphone and speaker devices. The large area in the center is the Audio Track workspace. This is where recorded or imported audio appears and where you can edit your audio clips. At the top of the workspace, you can see the timeline, which helps you navigate through your audio project. The Effect menu contains audio editing tools such as noise reduction, amplification, equalization, and many other effects. If you want to save your project or export audio, you can use the File menu, where you'll find options to create a new project, open existing projects, and export audio files in formats such as MP3 or WAV. This interface contains all the essential tools you need to record, edit, enhance, and export audio in Audacity. That's a quick overview of the Audacity interface. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.